Hi everyone, welcome back to our fountain pen channel. I'm Jomar Souza, and today I will show you an adaptation that I did using a Montegrappa Beauty Book Gentleman rollerball pen and the Pilot Metropolitan fountain pen. In 2019, a group of friends gave me this extraordinary pen, and despite not to be a fountain pen, Montegrappa is a luxury pen brand from Italy. And this specific one is a limited edition. Only 200 pieces of this rollerball pen were made, and maybe you can see the number 11 out of 200. In a few minutes you'll see that. So this is the top of the pen, the cap, showing the campaign symbol against brain cancer. That's why this limited edition. And here you can see the number 11 and below that the number 200. So it's the 11th unit. So here you can see that the parts of Pilot Metropolitan are already screwed in the pen. So it's a Pilot Metropolitan nib with feed, grip section, and also the converter inside that. So it is very well adapted. Then there is some degree between the section and the grip section, but it's like the original one, the rollerball. And here you can see all the set from the Pilot Metropolitan. Just a closer look on the nib, and you can see that the Montegrappa barrel can screw very securely in the Pilot Metropolitan grip section. So it's a nice way to use this Montegrappa as a fountain pen. Okay, and you can see also that the cap can be attached, can be screwed into the barrel without no problem regarding the nib size and the Pilot Metropolitan section size. Just to show you again, closing the pen, no problem, it fits pretty fine. Yeah, and you can see now this, I can say this masterpiece. And I will write a little bit with that. It's well balanced on my hands. So let's write a little bit. And the Pilot Metropolitan pen, the Pilot Metropolitan nib is a medium nib, but it's very smooth nib. Yeah, I like it a lot, writes pretty well, and I'm very happy with the results to use this Pilot Metropolitan set with my originally Montegrappa rollerball pen. So it's the way that I found to use my Montegrappa as a fountain pen. I have been looking for a nib and section that fit on this one, but the Montegrappa store here in Dubai told me that because it's a limited edition, they don't have anymore the section and the nib for the Beauty Book Gentleman fountain pen. So I could adapt my Pilot Metropolitan, and I'm very happy with these results. And you can see that's really well balanced with that. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.